Hey girl, hey, it's me, Dymond Lachey, and I am back with another video. Today's video, we are breaking down March's BoxyCharm box, and we are going to do a cute makeup look, and I'm super excited for today's video. So if you want to see what I got in my March BoxyCharm box, just keep on watching. So this is the BoxyCharm base box. It comes in like this black sleek box, and it has the words BoxyCharm on the front, and when you open her up, it has the BoxyCharm on the top as well. So this month's BoxyCharm theme is Lucky, and it comes with this card that has the BoxyCharm and then Lucky, and then, you know, St. Patrick's Day is this month, so that's the theme. This is really cute. I love this. I have the variation C21013-BA. So yeah, they have different variations of the boxes depending on you, your skin type, your preferences. So first thing in this box that I see is the Too Faced Damn Girl. This is the mascara, and it's supposed to be a 24-hour mascara. This is supposed to add a full level of volume to your lashes. It has an infinity brush on it. I'm excited for this. I love Too Faced products. Oh, this is super cute. This is so pretty. Look how sleek this is. Like, this is so sleek, so cute. And then you would just twist it. Oh, and it's a big brush too. Love that. I'm excited for this because Too Faced makes really good products. Y'all know I love their foundation, their palettes. Too Faced is just a great brand, and they have great products. The second thing is this lavish wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad. It's supposed to be for your makeup brushes. You just add water and you brush it on top, and it's supposed to clean them. I've never worked with lavish before, so I'm excited to see how that works. Little pad inside, and you just would take your brushes and rub it on top once you open it and wet it. So you rub it on top and get it cleaned. And it also has this silicone pad at the top, which is probably really good. The bristles seem really good to like rub your brushes. This retails for $15. I didn't tell you, but the mascara retails for $26. So next is this Cobb lip oil, which retails for $20. It's supposed to be hydrating and moisturizing for your lips, and I've never used a lip oil before, so I'm excited to try one. It comes in 6 shades. I got the blue raspberry flavor. It's super cute. Look at how sleek. Look at this. Yeah, I'm excited for this because I've heard nothing but great things when it comes to lip oils. Next, we've got the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. This is a makeup setting spray, and it has rose water and alcohol inside. I'm excited to try this. I've never used any Maven products, so I'm excited to see how this goes. This is a aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray, and you mist all over to get a finished mist lockdown look. This retails for $22. And it's a pretty good size. How many ounces is this? It's 3.38 ounces. So this is a really nice size setting spray. Last but certainly not least, I have this Lime Cream Venus 3 palette, and I've never used one of the Lime Crime palettes, so I'm excited to see this. The packaging on this, you guys, it's like this matte. Oh, this is so pretty. Now, let's open her up. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. So in this, you have 4 mattes, and it looks like 3 shimmers and maybe 4 shimmers. So you have about, yeah, you have 4 mattes and 4 shimmers in this palette. I'm excited to see how these apply. This palette retails for $38 and has earthy shades in it, like purples and peaches and some shimmers. This palette is not supposed to have any fallout or fade, so I'm excited to try and see if I do get any fallout. So yeah, with BoxyCharm subscription, you can get all of them for $25. That's the monthly fee, and my box was worth $121. So to me, that's good. And I get to work with some new brands that I don't know, and I got some of my favorites like the Too Faced. So I'm excited to try these other new brands. I think I'm most excited for the palette because the colors on it are just so earthy and pretty that I'm excited to see how they do on my skin tone, and I'm excited to see if they really don't have any fallout. So yeah, I am going to start my face and then I'm gonna come back and check with you guys. Okay, all right you guys, I'm back. I did my foundation, concealer, primed my eyes, and I want to actually start with the Cobb, the lip oil. I want to put this on while I do my eyes, and I want to tell you how it dries down, how I think it feels, all the above. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna take a little, and ooh, this feels nice. It's not sticky. Oh, it feels nice. It does smell like the blueberry. I smell the blueberries, but it feels hydrating. It's not like sticky, but it feels really nice and smooth on my skin. This really smells good. Like, oh my goodness, it smells like candy. That's what it smells like. It smells like candy. Yeah, so I am going to go in with the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, sorry. And I'm actually going to start with Dreamy. It's that purple, that like really light lavender hue. I'm gonna put that all over my eyes. This palette promises smooth pigment without any fallout, so I'm excited to see. I'm gonna take a big like fluffy brush and just put it all over. Ooh, I like the color that it's, ooh. My lash extensions are falling off, so please ignore those. So that added a really nice pop of color. I'm gonna use this same brush and go into another shade, in with Bliss, which is that like peaches shade, and I'm gonna put that all over as well. Right on top. Ooh, ooh. First of all, I'm not getting any fallout yet, but this, hold on, hold the front door. Hold on. Hold. I love the pink that this is giving. And I'm putting that all over, right on top of where I put the first shade. Do y'all see that? Girl. I think it's showing up a better color on my lid than it is on the palette, because on my lid it's really giving a pink. It's giving a great pink color, but in the palette it's giving more like peach, but it's certainly pink on me, and I love that it's so pigmented. And I'm actually gonna pack that on to get the maximum color. I'm just gonna pat it. Oh, this is so pretty. Like, and I'm not really a big eyeshadow girl, but this, they meant what they said. I'm not getting a thing of fallout. I'm going to clean off my brush and then just smooth all of that out with this same brush. I just want to pack in the top of this color to just, okay, there we go. Oh, that's really pretty. Just to smoothen it out a little bit, the edge, the top of it, I want to smooth it out, so I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more. And I'm gonna take Ecstasy, and I'm gonna actually put that at the edge, like right at the corner, right there. See what I'm saying? Just to add some shape to my eye. Wiped off my brush, and I'm just gonna blend out what I just did, and I want to merge it with the top of my eye. You get what I'm saying? So just merge that same color, outer corner, inward, and just to, it added some depth that last color that I used, the Ecstasy, it wasn't as pigmented and vibrant, but it's still a really pretty shade, a pretty purple hue. So then I'm going to use like a flat brush, and I'm going to actually spray it with the setting spray that I have from the Maven Beauty, just because I'm going to get into some shimmers now, and I think shimmers typically work better when you add some wetness to them. So I'm actually going to use Beam with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take a little just to add like a mini, very mini cut crease. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to pack it right on my crease. Typically with shimmers is where the fallout happens the most, but I'm not getting any of that. So you see what I did? Just added a mini cut crease just to my crease. Next, I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to go in with Paradise, and I'm going to define where I put the sparkle and the top of my shadow. So I'm going to just literally do a line. I'm going to take that same Paradise and I want to put it on my lower lash line. To finish off this eye, I'm going to actually clean off that flat brush that we used in the beginning, and I'm going to spray it one more time because I really want this inner corner to be like a pop. I'm going to use this light color Rapture. I'll take a little bit of that and I want to put it literally right in the inner corner. I know I said I was done with that, but I actually want to take this Heavenly color with the big fluffy brush, and I want to put it into my brow bone for like a little inner highlight. So that's how the eyes came out. And the lip oil, it's drying down like 30-40% dry, but it is so smooth. My lips feel so soft with it on. So now I'm gonna go in, like I said earlier, I do have lash extensions that desperately need a fill, but I'm gonna use this Too Faced liner on my bottom lash line. Love this mascara. You guys see how that added an extra pop to my bottom lash? Girl, I love this. And it feels so lightweight. Really like this. I'm excited to try this when I don't have on lash extensions, because I really do think it'll add a lot of volume to my lash, because it added a lot of volume to my bottom lash. So I'm excited. I'm excited for that. I am going to add the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray all over my face because I'm going to finish her off. Oh, that was intense. It smells like alcohol, but I do smell a little bit of the rose water, but it does have a lot of alcohol in it. But I love how it added like this dewy finish to my face. I'm actually gonna go clean a few of my brushes that I use for my eyes with the Lavish Wet Brush System, and I'll be right back to show you guys how it is. Alright, so I went ahead and I cleaned my brushes that I got in last month's BoxyCharm, if you guys remember the eye brushes that I got with the Lavish Wet Brush the system. And when I tell you guys, these brushes were so dirty and they became right back to that pink color. I love this. I'm super excited to really clean all my brushes with this. So all that I actually did was I just dipped the brush in the soap pad, and then I used the bristles in this, and when I tell you guys, it got my brushes together. It really got my brushes together, and it was super easy. These brushes were cleaned in like 3-4 minutes, so it was super easy, super fast. It wasn't that tedious, and I'm excited to keep doing all my brushes. yeah, this is the finished look with today's BoxyCharm items. If you want to get your own BoxyCharm box, everything will be down below. You guys can sign up and get 5 full-size products for $25. It's really something that I look forward to every month because I get to try new brands, I get to try new products, I get to try different things that I probably wouldn't have even saw without BoxyCharm. I always get something in my box that I love. Today, I love the eyeshadow palette and I love the brush cleaner. No, I love the lip oil. I'm going to be using this every day. This will be my new go-to lip oil every single day because I feel like it's really strengthening my lips. Especially in the winter, my lips seem to be more on the dry side. So I'm excited to get an oil that is going to add some more nutrients back into it. So yeah, if you are a BoxyCharm member, let me know what you got in your box this month, what were your favorite products, and I would love to chat with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, this box was sent to me, but all the opinions are my own. I love BoxyCharm and I have my mom getting BoxyCharm now. It's just a great makeup subscription, especially for those who want to get into makeup or those who might not know what products to get for themselves, because this is curated just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.